Okay, I have my copy of Home Designer Pro 2019. I don't have 2018 currently. Anyway, it should work the same. I'm going to go here to the Stair tool, and we'll just create a stair. What I'm going to, okay, I'm going to click on the stair, and then in the contextual menu, I'm going to select Auto Stairwell. And what that does is it do a quick cross section here. Well, maybe not so quick, but anyway, cross section. Yeah, see, the auto stairwell tool cuts out the floor on the second floor and creates a stair. Now, that isn't what I wanted to experiment with. What I wanted to experiment with is the railing. So I'm going to open this stair object, and you can see there's a handrail against the wall. That's fine. I'm going to turn off, go to railing, and turn off the left-hand rails like that. And now I'm going to go to the railing tool. I'm going to draw right over the edge of the stair with the railing tool. Now I'm going to select the railing wall. And you can see I drew it right over the edge of the stairs. Let me turn the grid off. There's the edge of the stair, and there's the edge of my wall. So there's the wall. And open it up in programming and see if Home Designer Pro had this programming or not. Should be under rail style. Yeah, there it is, follow stairs. Okay. I didn't know whether that command was in there or not. It's on the rail style dialog of the railing wall, follow stairs. Now I'm going to go to rail style, and we're going to select panels. Okay. Now I'm going to go to newels and balusters of the same wall, and I'm going to go over here to panel types, and the default is solid. I'm going to go to the library and see what else is available under pinches and railings. And there's glass, okay. All right, I'm just going to take this one, glass panel, and make it, and the newels are kind of clunky, so I'm going to go over to the newels and balusters. Instead of newel posts 2 inches, I'm going to make them just 1 inch. So they're not quite so fat. And balusters are grayed out because the panels are selected. I'm going to make the panels 1 inch thick. And then the top rail, let's see if there's anything I can do about that. In Cheap Architect, there's a rails tab, but there isn't in Home Designer Pro. Let's see what can be done. Raise bottom. No, I don't want to raise the bottom. Include bottom rail. Nope, not for your stairs. I need to get rid of that top rail if I can. I know what I could. I know what I can do. Maybe. Let's see. Let's see if there's anything I'm overlooking here. Include top rail. Okay, I think that looks better. Now, the trick here, I'm going to do a camera view and see how well this is working or not working. Okay, there's that rail over there. Doesn't look like it's working right. So what you do, let me just Shift F6 here, Shift F6 to tile the screens. And I'm going to go back to the plan view screen and see if I can't tweak that wall a little bit. I'm going to move it inboard under the stair a little bit. See, it looks like it's not following the stairs like I told it to yet. See, if If I line it up with the wall above, then it's not working. I'm gonna using the arrow keys to bump it up screen. There, see now that how that baluster jumped up there? Now you can't see it very well. Let me go to this screen. I'm gonna use the adjust material. See if I can pick up the glass. Yeah, glass. See, glass standard is invisible basically. So I'm gonna go to the properties tab and see if I can. Okay, matte. Let's make it dull. Ooh, that doesn't look very good. No, that's no good. Okay, we'll go back to properties and okay. See, now I can, by changing the properties, I can change the how transparent the glass is. Okay, the railing's working up to here. So let's see. Let me pull that wall back. Okay. Now it's going up the stairs. See, I had to fiddle around with it. Now, maybe you don't want these newel posts or you want them skinnier. Let's see what can be done about that over in balusters. I got them 1 inch wide. Let's make them 1/2 inch. You know what? I think I'm just going to make them 1/16 of an inch. 1/16. Yeah, that looks better. See, there's the glass. Good. I got a success. So you can do this too. Now, I've got years and years experience with this software, and it's probably going to be a lot easier for me to do than for you to do. But nevertheless, I'm showing you it can be done. I'm going to go back to this screen, deselect that, and use this adjust material tool again, and make this a little more, the glass a little more visible by just reducing the transparency a little bit more. See? Now, it doesn't do a perfect job like the picture you posted, but it does that's a decent job. Let me rotate this a little bit. Whoops, I rotated all the way out of the house. Now, I think for Home Designer Pro, that's terrific, and you should be able to get the same or similar result if you just stay at it and tweak it like I did. I moved it around and I changed the settings until I got the appearance that I wanted. Okay, well, I hope this helps you and others. Thank you.